Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Knox Company. I'm going to show you how easy it is to change out these windshield wipers on your Toyota 4Runner. You're going to need a 24-inch for the driver's side and a 20-inch for the passenger side. I got this kit shipped to the house in one day from Amazon. I have the Rain-X ones on here, and to be honest, they didn't really work that good. So I've tried this highly recommended Amazon brand. They were a little bit cheaper as well, but we'll try these ones out. We're out here in Las Vegas, so the weather's really hot. And of course, middle of July, we start getting monsoon or towards the end, and we start using these and they're just breaking. So every year we're replacing these. I'll show you how easy they are. So 24-inch, 20-inch, this combo pack I'll put links for in the description, and we'll show you how easy it is to put these things on. So we'll get right to it and show you that all you have to do is pop this little tab right here, and even these new ones have the same thing where it locks it down. Pop that tab up. You can see how torn up these are here, and it slides right off. This has like a little hook right here, so you just push down and it comes off. It's that little hook. Just goes right in there and hooks underneath that. So then we get our new windshield wiper and open this up all the way. Fits in right there. Pop it in, hook it, click it down. That's how easy and how fast this can be. And then obviously we want to remove this guard or cover right there before we start using them. Then we'll just do the same thing to the driver's side and we're all done. So same thing for the driver's side. We got this clip open, push it down, it unhooks. And then for this new one, pop it open, get this thing all the way open. So once you have this all the way open, you can put it on your wiper blade there, feed it in, pop it, click, and then we can remove this little guard. Ready to go. Just like that, you have two brand new windshield wiper blades. Probably only took 3 minutes at most. Most of that was just because I was filming it. If you guys have any questions or anything, or again, I put links to these in the video. 24 inches, 20 inches. Sometimes you can buy them individual. Maybe you just need one. So now you know, 24 and 20, you can buy them individually or buy them as a set. If you have any questions or things about the lights in the grill, tire and wheel and lift package, mud rails, and I even have a rack system in the back, I got links to those videos on my page. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.